Edo State Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, and his wife Miriam Shaibu on Tuesday 25th of July 2023 joined body with Christians from all over the world to jollificate with the Archbishop of the Church of God Mission International, Reverend Dr. Mrs. Margaret Idahosa, for her 80th birthday anniversary service. The event scheduled for the International Convention Center, Bam of Gilead for Benin City. Oga Shaibu talk say belle dey sweet everybody wella to jollificate with the Archbishop, sake of say she don't add better things to everybody life and also the Church of God Mission International.
Thank you for the impact you are making in our lives. And I was sharing with my wife just now. I said I know Papa in heaven will be smiling and happy seeing us celebrate your life now. Thank you for the impact you have made. Thank you for the unity you have brought to Church of God Mission International. And as I watch all the bishops' wife and all of them come to give you gifts, I can see the joy that radiates. May that joy continue to flourish in our lives.
The Deputy Governor Kosti talk say himself, people wey dey Naija and people wey dey Obodo Yibo, they wish her happy birthday and may God give her long life.
By the grace of God, we continue to pray for her for long life and in good health, for all of us to continue to share in that grace and that blessing. We are so excited to be here, and I pray again next year we'll be here to celebrate her life. And you can see the life she has touched. A lot of us, she has touched our life, and she's a blessing not only to Edo but to the world. So we bless God for her life, and we celebrate Feb and all the children, and we, the extended children too. And I'm so excited and happy to celebrate her at 80, and that we pray God to continue to make her strong for us.
From Benin City, Awe Roswagene Ejo, TMC TV News.